Good evening. I just need to have some coffee. Sorry? I need to have a coffee to give me energy. My coffee maker.
That's all I'm used for. Slave in the bedroom and slave in the kitchen making coffee.
Here he is again, sleep in the bedroom. Don't ever say that.
This is why I'm wasting away so much.
Wasting away.
Oh,
You're
it's
not
true.
wasting away.
Well, it's a good job you're keeping me alive, isn't it? I'm the envy of all the guys out there.
I got my coffee. I'm gonna go upstairs.
Yeah, I'm going outside.
Okay, bye-bye. Thank you, Han. Oh, he made a very good coffee, always. I need to be organized because I have a lot of things to do, and tomorrow we're planning to take my mother-in-law out because kawawa kasi si mother-in-law eh. She's been stuck in her house for a few days na kasi tumawag siya kahapon. Yung ate daw ni Jan may sakit. She have a bad cold. So, yung ate ni Jan ayaw pumunta sa mama niya kasi ayaw niyang mahawa yung mama niya. So, sabi ko kay Jan, I told Jan why not take her out for a day so that she can enjoy herself as well. And yeah, we're planning to take her out that somewhere that we've been and we know the place. And exact naman na hindi pa siya nakapunta doon. So, dadalhin namin siya sa Barton Grange. We've been to that place and naalala ko, I did vlog when we went there. Hindi ko alam kung napanood niyo. I don't know if you have watched it. Pero nag-vlog ako noon. Hiyang-hiya pa ako noon. Well, mahiyain pa din naman ako. Pero, you know, as you vlog, you learn and parang matututo ka talaga. You know, the feeling talaga na noon, hiyang-hiya talaga ako na mag-vlog in public, ganyan. Ano ba? Napunta na sa vlogging. So, yun yung plano ko. Sige, mag-edit muna ako and I'll see you tomorrow.
Here she comes.
There you go, Mom. The car is probably locked.
No, it's not actually.
We should keep on the door locked. We've been told we have to.
You landed. You alright now?
Yeah, when I get the belt on.
There you go. That would be easier. Doing that. Shall I close this now?
Yeah.
There. Where are we going, hun?
I keep telling you it's my
Secret.
age.
Secret again.
We're going to Barton, are we?
Yeah, I would like to go to Barton.
Yeah. But then snowdrops out there, John.
Yep.
Yeah, there's a lot of snowdrops over there, Ma.
Loads of them.
Yeah. Lots of snowdrops. It's a sign of spring, is what they said. Did you see that?
Well,
We are here. Look at that little birdie.
Get ready to be ripped off.
oh,
Get ready to be ripped off.
OMG, we found a pineapple plant. Oh my gosh, can we take that home? Pineapple plants! That's my first time to see a pineapple plant here in UK. Seriously. How much are they? Oh, 20 pounds. They're 20 pounds. More flowers.
they're all,
Are they real?
no, they're silk.
Oh, they're not real, Mom.
There's, well, yeah. There's enough. That would do me, it would die. They're lovely if they come up.
What are they called?
They're ranunculus, and I can't grow them.
Oh, right, I
And they
see.
come up, the leaves come up, but no flowers. But
Oh.
yet I bought somebody a packet same time as I bought myself one, and theirs was beautiful. So they don't like me. They just don't like me.
Oh. There's a lot of people about. Here he is. Ah, that's cute, Mom.
To put your pennies in.
Yeah, look at that. Your wheelies to put your pen. We're gonna get a basket because we're gonna buy some primroses. So what we're gonna do? Pick, and you can have one as well or two.
Well, the 3 for $5.
Yeah, so we can share.
That's a Christmas tree.
How much is that Christmas tree?
Oh, there we are.
How much?
$229.
Oh gosh,
This is
for that
a
Christmas
special
tree.
one.
Look
Special
at
one.
that.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, that's massive turtle.
Little Scotty dog. Little Scotty dog. What are they?
They're fat birds, Mama. Look at that. They're fat.
Yeah, isn't it? What
Yeah,
is it?
very fat.
What?
Ah, I see.
17.99.
Look at that giraffe over there. It's sticking out its head.
No, is that on the show?
No, it's a giraffe. Oh no, that's not giraffe. Oh, yeah, giraffe.
You know what a giraffe looks like? I think it's zoo.
I know. And there's 2 stag in here. Is it stag?
They've got horns,
Yeah.
so they stand a chance, don't they?
That's massive.
There's a little fat bird.
Yeah.
They're very fat.
That's what is it? No, doesn't suit you. Can you shoe you? Doesn't work for you. It's not good. No. Don't fit your head. That's a little one. For a little head. You got a big head.
I've got a trilby, a new one.
Have you?
I don't like this.
Alright, Noddy. Alright.
Is that alright?
Sort of. Scoff will do one like that. Yeah.
But they don't have those mitts.
Mitch, there you go.
Hang on.
Oh, here we go.
What I look like.
Stupid.
Oh no. Look at her.
Where did you get that?
That suits you. Yeah, that suits you, that one.
Well, that's how you wear them.
Yeah, very pretty.
Is it up here?
Yeah, that's right. There you go. Look at this. Baking potatoes.
54p each.
I got a
joke, isn't it?
I got a bag like that from Morrison's. I'm looking for some raspberry.
Raspberry. Oh. The food are all quality, but for me personally, mga palangga, the prices are overpriced talaga. There's a lot of nice stuff, but I don't know.
Raspberry vinegar.
This is really good for you here.
Look at that, Mom. We are now done in that side, so we are now moving across to the other one. It's a new one. I never been there because the last time we were in there, the other side was not open. It's still under construction, so we will nip in and we will have a look. Flower bowl. Oh, come on.
Go in this one, look.
Oh gosh, it's nice in here. It's my first time to be in here and it's nice.
I don't have a look, just have a wander, check over there.
It's a Scottish thing, is that?
Ah, I see.
Isn't it, John? A Scottish thing, that.
Look at their ceiling, John. What do you call those? Chess. Mother is looking for a game. Bingo. Oh, makeup chocolate. That's cute, Mom. They got a handbag, a comb, a mirror. Oh, that's lovely. Lipstick. Okay.
Gardening one here.
Yeah, they also got gardening tools.
And it's called chocolate, it's Belgium.
Belgian, yeah. They also got a fish and chips chocolate in here. You see that? Oh. Right, we're going that way now?
Yeah, go that way.
That way now. They got a lot of entertainment right here. That's cool. It's lit. Ah, very nice. They got a lot of entertainment. So this area here is more on entertainment, and yung first one na pinuntahan namin is more on nurseries like flowers and stuff. They also got a fish and chips shop or restaurant. They got cruises as well. How deep is the water in here, Han?
A lot of people live on them, don't they, John?
Huh?
I'd stand up in it really. I don't know how deep it would be here actually. But your normal canal is probably about 5 or 6 foot.
Right. Yeah.
It's a very flat bottom.
So there are people living in here in this kind of boat?
Yeah.
Oh, right.
Look at the life size of it.
Ah, it's a lot of them. So there's a lot of people living in here.
Yeah.
We're going because it's drafty. Bye-bye.
How's everybody going? Nobody moving, no?
We're heading now to have something to eat.
Yeah, we'll go back that way and then...
The bellflower. Let's try. So mga palangga, that's it for me today. Kain muna kami and yun na yung galaan namin kasama si John at si mother-in-law. Bye!
Chicken and bacon.